Welcome to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app videos. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can check if someone has deleted their Snapchat account or not. So let's say you had a friend on your Snapchat previously and you want to know if they have deleted their account or not. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can check that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, what you can do is click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you're over here, scroll a bit down and you can see where it says My Friends list. Click on My Friends, and if you could see your friend's name like before, but now the name doesn't is being displayed over here even if you search his name, then there's two options. Either he has unfriended you, either he has deleted his Snapchat account. That's one way to find out. But let's say the person whose Snapchat account you want to find out is deleted or not is not your friend, it's someone else. Then the other way to do is come back over here on your snap taking screen, and you can click on the search icon at the top. As you guys can see, click on it and search the name of the person. So let's say there was a person with this name. I'm gonna type the number over here with this name and this number. So in the past, a profile was displayed when I write this, but now when I write this, nothing is being displayed. Then the only thing is he has deleted or she has deleted their Snapchat account. That's the other way to find out. And there's not a clear way through which you guys can just search somebody's name and it's going to say, oh, they have deleted their Snapchat account or something like that. These are the only working way through which you guys can check if somebody has deleted their Snapchat account or not. But yeah, hope I was able to help you guys with this. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.